quotient of powers. 3 to the power of 6 over 3 to the power of 2. This is a quotient of powers. Okay, so we're taking one power and dividing it by another. So the ones we're going to do here are all going to have the same base. All right, so what does this mean? Well, we can write this out. 3 to the power of 6 means 3 times itself 6 times. So we're going to write 3 6 times here. Nope, that should not be. That should be a 3. And 3 squared is 3 times 3, so there's 2 3s. All right, so we know that we can eliminate when we're multiplying all of these together. We can take these 3s, they will cancel each other. We can take these 3s and they will cancel each other. So what we're left with is we can count them out 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 3 times itself 4 times, which is 3 to the power of 4. So 3 to the power of 6 divided by 3 to the power of 2. This is a quotient of powers. The answer is 3 to the power of 4. Okay, let's try another one and then see if we can find a pattern or see if we can find some sort of equation. Let's say I have 4 to the power of 5 and I'm going to divide that by 4 to the power of 2. Okay, well that's 4 times itself 5 times. So I'm going to write that out here. And then we're going to divide that by 4 squared. So 4 times itself twice. All right, so just like the first question, the 4's cancel each other. These 4's cancel each other. We're left with 3 of them. Okay, so the answer is 4 cubed. 4 to the power of 3 because there's 1, 2, 3 4s. Well, when we were multiplying these together, we ended up adding the exponents to get the solution. When we divide them, what can we see here? 6, 2, 4, 5, 2, 3. We're actually subtracting, okay? So 4 to the power of 5 divided by 4 to the power of 2. What we're doing is we're taking 5 minus 2. 4 to the power of 5 minus 2, which of course is 4 to the power of 3. Okay? So when we divide powers one from the other, we can subtract the exponents as long as the bases are the same. Okay? And we can check this. We'll use an easy example. We'll confirm just to make sure. So let's say we have 2 to the power of 5, and we're going to divide that by 2 to the power of 3. Okay, so let's figure out what these numbers are. So 2 times itself 5 times. All right, and then we're going to divide that by 2 times itself 3 times. First off, let's use our new equation to get the solution. So we've got one exponent minus the other exponent. So we're saying the answer is 2 squared, right? 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Okay, so we're saying, using our new equation, that the answer is 4. So let's check it here. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. So in the numerator we have 32. On the bottom we have 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Okay, so we have 32 divided by 8. And 32 divided by 8 is in fact 4. So when we're taking powers and we're dividing one by the other, what we'll do, and they have the same base, we'll subtract the exponents to get the solution.